Okay, traders. Now I'm starting to see some good things line up, right? So obviously the Aussie, Kiwi, and CAD, uh, you know, commodities rallied through the roof yesterday. I've missed those, but I'm not so worried about that. All I'm worried about is identifying what I do know, and the dollar is sort of dribbling away here, right? And I've already tuned up my dollar Swiss chart. Okay, I like dollar Swiss at the moment. It's got good structure. Looks like it's ready to go down. Uh, and there's a few things here, though, right? What I'm looking for at the start of the week here is a couple of stocking fillers, right? If you don't know what I'm talking about, have a look at the video. But if I just scrunch up even a bit of dollar index here, just to get some confidence in what's happening in euro and dollar Swiss. Okay, we've got a trend line here. Now, it's not amazing, but it is the start of the trend line and it tells us exactly what's going on. So if I just make that orange, so I've got it the right color. Okay, so I've got dollar index, it's going down, or it's sort of starting to trend down. You can do the same on euro. So there's a couple of different opportunities here. I mean, we've only got ZEW numbers too, so we're not going to like run into a shitstorm as far as fundamentals go. So if I'm looking here, right, I can see, euro is going up, sideways, starting to just look higher, right? And we've got a resistance line just above here. Now, there's a couple of different things you can do. As I said, these are just stocking fillers. You're looking to make a grand, 2 grand, 3 grand. Like you might think that's too close. Well, that's fine. What I would be looking to do, this is a suggestion, looking to trade technically to get into the trade on a dip. You can be looking for prime time pro to be oversold, and that could be a second trade. So one technically, two, or do combine the two, or look for a trade to the top side. All I'm looking for is the dollar weakness to keep creeping in. You can do the same here on sterling. Let me just shrink this up a bit. Okay. Right. So once again, this looks a little bit better than euro, right? Because it's come down and it is already starting to sort of go up, broken through a bit of a short-term resistance line. We've got support and the bull bear pivot line at that level. Looking to get long on a dip using Prime Time Pro, definitely in play. So there's two trades, right? Or two potential stocking fillers that I can see. Like I was just looking at dollar index, so we haven't got access to that on the platform. Euro, well, the resistance, my support line's a bit further back. I do like sterling. My number one pick is dollar Swiss. Number two would be sterling, and number three euro. Right, but like this little bit of price action here where it's stalled and gone the other way, I really like. I'm definitely placing a prime time pro here on dollar Swiss, and if I just get my chart up here just to give you a bit of a look at the structure. I was just explaining some stuff to Mo there. Okay, so let me just get that one off. So just looking at Swissy. Okay, so let me get rid of that thing again. Okay, I don't really need to draw a trend line here because I know exactly what I'm after. So if I just come back to Prime Time Pro, I'm just looking to trade, okay? Not auto trade, only sell, prime time sell. Just going to put 10 lots. And you know what? If you're not sure, it's coming into Tuesday, maximum losing trades just one, right? If this doesn't work out, well, then I'm done, right? The exit on trend change, no. Exit on crossover, no. Okay, so that's my settings. And if I hit go on that, that's where we are, right? So now I could get a little bit funky here and just draw my trend lines in, but I've already done that on Metastock. I'm just looking for this thing to top. I'm basically what I'm saying is I'm confident that I can see a bit further downside. If it gets to an oversold situation, it's at least going to give me a couple of grand in the tin, right? So let's just see how that plays out. I'll let you know if that cancels. We do have the ZEW numbers coming out in Europe. As I said, they're not like head kickers. It's more of a confirmation of good things or bad things. If the data came out really strong, maybe I close it out. I'll see how it goes. But I would expect it to take at least maybe 6 hours to get this trade into the zone, right? So that's just the first trade I can see just at the moment, right? And this, once again, has appeared out of nowhere, um, just popped up, right? US retail sales, bit mixed. To me, it's a little bit weak, and we'll see how that plays out. So, a couple of trades to consider there, guys. Just stocking fillers, no like massive head kickers. Let's just see how that goes from here, right? Cheerio.